Cheap oil sounds like a deal, but in the kitchen, it may cost you more than you think. Here's why. Cheap oil breaks down faster. That's because they often have higher levels of polyunsaturated fats or less stability, resulting in frequent oil changes and higher costs over time. Oil that breaks down faster can also impact food quality. That's because it loses its ability to transfer heat, so it can't create the crisp barrier food needs. Instead of sealing moisture inside, it lets oil soak into the product, resulting in soggy chicken and greasy fries, and even flavor transfer. Fries may taste like fish, chicken picks up onion notes, and consistency across the menu disappears. Cheap oil also creates more polymerization, that sticky, varnish-like buildup that forms inside your fryer. It happens when oil molecules break down and bind together. Polymerization is incredibly difficult to clean, clinging to fryer walls and even to your fryer hood, where it's often overlooked. Equipment that's supposed to last anywhere from 8 to 10 years can then deteriorate faster and even become a safety hazard. Over 11,000 restaurant fires occur every year, with grease buildup as a major cause. And be prepared to add an extra 15 to 30 minutes consistently to operations. That's how long every oil change typically takes, from draining to filtering to refilling the fryer. With cheap oil, that process happens more often, pulling staff away from serving customers and adding hidden labor hours that drive up costs. And it doesn't end there. Used oil has to be handled, stored, and hauled away. More frequent changes mean higher disposal fees, plus the added hassle of managing extra waste in an already busy kitchen. So while cheap oil may save you up front, it may cost you more in food, labor, equipment, and even customer trust. Are you really saving that much with cheap oil?